There's nothing here about lights, but I think you could figure the lights out if you wanted to. You can turn that for blinkers. You turn that for those lights. You turn that for those lights. And that's the hazard light in case you're driving on the road. These are the turn signals. Well, the switch is not on, so it's not working. But turn signals. Okay, I'm gonna start the tractor and take it out and turn it around. I'm waiting for the corn light to go off. If you get off the seat and the tractor's running, it'll just stop. Okay? Unhook this. Once you get it seated, pull these levers up. Now where I've left it is in neutral with the handbrake on. All you'll need to do is back it slowly out